Hello and good evening. Welcome to the restaurant management software. In this video, I'm going to share briefly with you how our advanced restaurant management software helps manage your business, helps manage your orders, and other things. On the dashboard, with what you are seeing is the lifetime order. The lifetime order describes all the orders that you have received since you started using the software. And then you can also see today's order. You can see today's sale, that is 2.6k, that's 2,600 cedis. You can also see the total customers for today. You can see the total customers for today, and then the total delivery. You can see your last order from this place. You can see if it's a walk-in or a dine-in from this angle as well. Over here, if you want to make an order, you go to the POS invoice. So on the sales panel, you are able to see your menu. So over here, these are all your menus. You can look for the extras. When you go to extras, you can see the extras. When you go to pizza, you can see only for pizza. If you go to burgers, you can see only for burgers. Now from this point, if you want to make a sale, you just click on any of the items you want. You can either search the product name. So let's say I'm looking for acheke. So acheke with tilapia, that's the normal size, and then the system gives me the price. I hit on it, and then the system asks if we have the normal, which is the 117. So I add to cart, and then over here you can see your price. I can place the order, which means it goes to the kitchen. It wouldn't go through because the system is asking me for the customer. So I select the customer name, and then I select the waiter. So let's say Mary Brown is the waiter, and then I can select my table, local table. Then I select the number of people, sorry, the number of persons on that table. So I can select, let's say, 1, and then I can now submit, and then I can now place my order. Order has been placed successfully. If you have a kitchen print, it can print over there. But if you don't have a kitchen print and you want to print from here, you just click on print, and then a token will be printed out for you. If not, and then you have a kitchen dashboard, it will also be displayed on your kitchen dashboard. Now when I go to ongoing orders, I can see all the orders that are ongoing. I can print a bill. So when a staff or a customer wants an invoice or his bill, I just go to POS invoice, and then I can just print the bill for the person. So I go to print, and then I can print out the invoice for the person. Now when invoices are printed, then customers then can now pay, and then when they are paying, you can now go to complete order, and then you select the payment method. If it's Momo or cash, you can select whichever payment method you select, and then you can now go and then hit on the print and pay, and then print invoice. Then you are able to print that. Now at the end of the day, you are able to see. So if you want to close your sales, at the end of the day, you can close your sales and see the number of cash you received, Momo you received, as well as how much in total you have made. You can close and then print your summary. So you'll be able to print out your summary for the day. You can print out your summary for the day. You can as well export this to PDF or Excel for the day. Now let me take you home a little bit and then show you how your orders display on your kitchen dashboard. So if you have a kitchen screen, if you have a kitchen screen, this is how your kitchen screen should show. So you can see over here your kitchen screen. BB cocktail is there. We have the kitchen. You can see the orders in the kitchen. Then you can see the orders in the bar. So when an order is placed and it's a bar order, it goes to the bar. When an order is placed and it's in the kitchen order, it goes to the kitchen. Kitchen orders don't go to the bar, and bar orders don't go to the kitchen. All right, so this is how it works. This is how it works. Over here, you'll be able to manage multiple multiple menus, add prices, change your prices. So we'll go to manage food. We go to food variant. At the food variant, you are able to change the price of a product. So over here, this is 25 cedis. You can change your price to 30 cedis or 35 cedis, and then you just hit on update. So this is just a summary of how our advanced restaurant management software works. Thank you, and see you in the next video.